Mario once again with MIA Microflight, and in continuation with the video series on the MIA Quicksilver style RC Ultralight jumbo size. I've been making a bit of progress here with the wing, and so what you're looking here is my this was my test sample for to make sure that the width of the wing was sized correctly. And so this is just a mock-up of that of the sail, just done with some remnant pieces that I had laying around. And there's the airfoil right there, what you're seeing here. So once I got that satisfied, I decided to just go ahead and cut the pattern for the sail, for the wing. This is a 48-inch by 15 in width panel here that you're looking at. And let me just move this out of the way so we can view the, what the panel looks like. I have the colors already cut, and these are going to be sewn right on top of the white sail. So you can see the pattern is right underneath, and I marked this with all the necessary markings for where the ribs, the tension tubes, and the pockets are going to go, to insert the ribs. All the perforations are done already on the sail, and what I'm about to do is sew these collars. This is actually two pieces here. I have to separate this. Is when I cut this, and I just use a soldering iron tip to do the cutting here for these larger sails. Unfortunately, this doesn't fit on a CNC machine that I have, that I designed, to cut sails. The machine's smaller, so I can't do it there. But just doing it by hand, it's not for just just my personal aircraft that this is going to be. Cutting it by hand is just fine. So I'm about to do that. Right now it just doesn't look too colorful because I don't have the yellow ailerons done just yet. But if we wanted to get an idea of just the color, how the colors are going to blend, with the yellow ailerons, it's probably going to be something like that. So you have the three color scheme, just like on my CAD model. I did shorten this a little bit because I was in the model, the aileron was 36 inches, and so I decided to shorten that to 24, which is in scale with my 60-inch Quicksilver Ultralight. Those ailerons are 16, I believe those are, I believe those are 16 inches, and so times 1.5, which is the scale multiplier. This came out at 24 inches for the aileron, so I have it marked here, 24 inch for the aileron here, and this is the the quarter scale Quicksilver Ultralight, what I'm calling the jumbo size. So this is where I'm at right here. You can see how big this this panel is going to be. I mean, this table is about 5 by 2.5 feet, and so I will be, like I said, I'm going to be sewing this onto the white sail part, and then I'll be doing all the folds and continue sewing, to finish the wing. I do have to put the ribs, the rib pockets rather, and so those will go in these where these lines are marked right underneath the sail here. You can almost see through. So those will be the pockets for the sail. And once those pockets are sewn, then I will do my folds on the ends. So this is where I'm at as far as I got. We're moving along. Once I'm done with the wing, I'm going to work on the elevator and the stabilizers, and the rudder, and that should go fairly quicker than this wing. This is taking me a little bit a longer time because I had to figure this out by hand. I could have done this on the computer, in the CAD model, all these dimensions, but I just did it by hand here because I wanted to make sure I was within the scale of the Quicksilver 60-inch model. I did have to change some of the distances, for the tensioner tubes, and that was just to allow the aileron to sit a little more closer to the where the tension tubes are going to go, and just makes it easier for the aileron to be installed with sort of an end stop, and I'm using those the tension tubes as my sort of end stop, so the aileron does not have any play, lateral play, and so I had to make some changes to the location of the tension tubes, but yeah, it's next video I think I will have the wing, both panels assembled, and maybe I'll pop those on the frame, and you guys can see what that looks like. So once again, Mario with MI Microflight. Stay tuned for the continuation of this series of videos and project. Thanks for watching.